Now the question arises, it's absolutely mathematical. If these two rights confront each other, Allah says, don't commit shirk with me. Number one. Allah also says, be thankful to your parents. وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ. And now the parents are compelling you to commit shirk. What to do? That was the situation obtaining in Makkah. People who were embracing Islam, who were saying Shahada at the hands of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. There were grown-ups also, but there were teenagers also. We have Musab bin Umair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, a teenager. Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, a teenager. So many. Now there was a problem. The parents were demanding, we have the rights over you. We have brought you up. You are born of us. You owe your existence to us. We have been feeding you. We have been looking after you. And now you are disobeying us. We command you to remain in the fold of the religion of your forefathers. Be with us. وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا اتَّبِعُوا سَبِيلَنَا وَلْنَحْمِلْ خَطَايَاكُمْ وَمَا هُمْ بِحَامِلِينَ مِنْ خَطَايَاهُمْ مِنْ شَيْءٍ. Sometimes they used to say, you follow us, keep on following us. And if it is wrong, we shall be responsible on the day of judgment. We shall be responsible on your behalf also. We shall take the burden of your shoulders. We shall take the burden of your sins, if it is a sin. But you have to follow our path. So there was a great problem for the youth. Now naturally, these youth, these young people who had embraced Islam at this age of teenager, that stage of teenager, how good-natured they would have been. We can imagine. And when they were good-natured, they had to respect their parents also. The mother of Hazrat Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas, father had died. The mother, a widow, had raised this son with the best of the care possible. Now that mother said that if Sa'd doesn't return to the fold of the deen of his father, I will not eat anything, I will not drink anything, I'll kill myself. Now what was the testing, and what was the situation? How testing was the situation for Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas? What to do? She is killing herself. So here the clear injunction came. The rights of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remain supreme. وَإِن جَاهَدَاكَ عَلَىٰ أَن تُشْرِكَ بِي مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ عِلْمٌ فَلَا تُطِعْهُمَا. Don't obey both of them. You have to obey me. Rights of Allah will remain supreme. But don't think that all their rights are gone, multiplied by 0. No. Don't obey in this respect, but give them company in this world with the kindness. Be gentle to them. Don't speak harshly to them. Don't obey them, but you have to show respect to them. You have to look after them. وَصَاحِبْهُمَا فِي الدُّنْيَا مَعْرُوفًا. Just look to it. This type of balanced, education or instruction can come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only. You have to disobey, but in this respect, if they compel you to commit shirk with me. Otherwise, be kind to them, look after them, spend on them. All their rights will remain intact, except that you don't obey them when they compel you to make shirk with us.